Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Vision Board Kit is probably one of the most effective tools for manifesting your dreams and goals. This kit provides everything you need to create a visual representation of your aspirations. Whether you're aiming for career success, personal growth, or improved relationships, a well-crafted vision board can serve as a constant reminder of what you're working towards, keeping you motivated and focused on achieving your goals. Number 5. Magnificent 101 Feng Shui Vision Board Kit. This kit includes a large vision board, perfect for displaying your ambitions. Place it where you can see it daily to start visualizing your goals. This will help you turn your dreams into reality. Included are fill-in-the-blank cards designed by specialists. These cards, along with motivational journal prompts, will guide you. They are designed to help you with self-help and gratitude. These pictures are designed to evoke the feeling of achieving your goals. They stimulate your subconscious mind. Use these supplies to transform how you think and manifest. You'll receive a unique combination of craft supplies. Carry these with you to recall good thoughts and speed up manifestation. They are a great way to treasure your vision. This kit also includes a gratitude rock. It helps you break the cycle of negative thoughts. This makes it the perfect gift for anyone looking to manifest their goals. What we like. This kit includes a large Feng Shui board, perfect for creating a harmonious display. It also comes with transformation cards designed by specialists. If you're looking for a kit that promotes daily visualization and gratitude, this is the one for you. What people say. The board is sturdy and well made. The cards are also well made and beautiful, super inspiring. Comes with a lot of thumbtacks and great positive words of affirmation. Number 4. Vision Board Book, 700 plus words and images. Are you feeling lost in the daily grind? This interactive book helps you explore your passions and identify what truly matters to you. It's the perfect first step toward a more fulfilling life. Forget generic clip art. This book features a diverse range of images, celebrating different skin tones, body types, and gender expressions. It's designed to help you create a vision board that truly represents you. Inside, you'll find 120 pages covering all aspects of life, from finances to mindfulness. This allows you to personalize your board and craft your own inspirational story. Each page is designed with a specific color palette, making it easy to create a visually stunning vision board. You'll be proud to display your goals and dreams. Looking for a meaningful gift? This vision board book is a great choice for birthdays or holidays. Give the gift of reflection and help someone prioritize their self-care journey. What we like. This vision board book offers a wealth of images and words across various life categories. The design is inclusive, featuring diverse representation. If you like a kit that inspires reflection and self-care with a cohesive and beautiful design, this is a great choice. What people say. The book is made to be cut up, and it is one of the best versions of this kind of resource I've ever purchased. I needed to create a vision board, and this book had everything I was looking for. This was first time doing a vision board, and this book is excellent with lots of positive phrases and beautiful pictures. Love it for value, size, and vary it. Number 3. Vision Board Kit for Women, all-in-one kit. This kit contains everything you need to create your own vision board. It includes cards with images and quotes, a foldable board, and a guidebook. It's a complete, easy-to-use kit for anyone wanting to manifest their dreams. Forget about the mess of cutting and gluing. This kit provides pre-selected images and quotes. It's designed for both beginners and experienced vision board creators, making the process simple and enjoyable. The kit features a wide range of relatable images and quotes, carefully chosen based on research. The cards are high quality and diverse, and you can even add your own messages. The finished product looks unique and organized. Unlike traditional vision boards, this kit uses cards that slide into slots. You can easily update your board as your goals change. The cards are durable and designed to last for years, making it a great value. The included guidebook provides easy steps to create your vision board. The compact, foldable board is portable, allowing you to take it anywhere. You can share it or keep it private, depending on your needs. Inspire yourself and others with this kit. It's perfect for gifting and comes in a beautiful package. Plus, a portion of your purchase helps support education for children in Africa. What we like. This kit is an all-in-one solution with pre-printed cards and a foldable board. The images and quotes are professionally curated. The card system is reusable and adaptable. If you are looking for a convenient, organized, and long-lasting vision board experience, consider this. What people say. Comes with clear instructions on how to get your vision board built. The card deck is perfect with gorgeous images and amazing quotes and inspirational words. The photos and quote images are high quality and cut easily. Number 2. Magnificent Vision Board Kit, Ultimate. This kit helps you visualize your dreams. It uses the power of visualization to help you achieve your goals. It's designed to help you manifest your ideal life. This kit includes everything you need to create a vision board. Place it in a space where you see it often. This will encourage you to do visualization exercises every day. Included are 15 personal transformation cards created by specialists. These cards are designed to guide you through the law of attraction. They also include motivational journal cards and affirmation cards. You'll also receive 20 life goals pictures. These are designed to generate emotions of having achieved goals. They will stimulate your subconscious mind to work towards those goals. Get a unique combination of craft supplies to treasure. This includes a believed charm and red ribbon. They can be used as a prosperity bracelet. This kit also includes a surprise item. It helps you break the cycle of default attraction. This makes it the perfect gift for anyone. What we like. This kit includes personal transformation cards and life goals pictures to stimulate your subconscious. It also has a surprise item to help you break negative thought patterns. If you are looking for a kit that offers a unique and transformative experience, this is the one for you. What people say. Great selection of pictures and great guides, exercises, questions to educate people on visualization and what lies within their desires. The charms are great as well. There is value in holding the world believe, since believing is the key to manifesting. This kit made it easy to create my vision board. The quotes already created allow me to express my future desires better than I would have been able to piece together. Number 1. Lamare Vision Board Kit, Complete Dream Board Supplies. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to create a vision board. It's designed to help you manifest your goals and dreams with ease. It's perfect for anyone looking for self-growth and motivation. Inside, you'll find 150 image cards with inspiring quotes, 20 blank cards for personalization, and a foldable board. No need for scissors, glue, or magazines. Everything is included to get you started. This makes the whole process simple and fun. The kit features professionally designed images with a consistent style and mood. The back of each card has motivational quotes to keep you inspired. You can also add your own personal touch with the blank cards. The design allows you to easily update your goals. Simply slide new cards into the slots. The durable cards ensure that it can be used for years to come. The foldable board is perfect for your desk or can be stored away for privacy. It also includes a step-by-step guidebook to help you create a vision board that truly inspires. It's your complete vision board supplies. This kit is a perfect gift for women, entrepreneurs, students, and anyone with dreams. It's designed to inspire creativity and motivation, helping you achieve your goals. Give the gift of self-growth and inspiration. What we like. This kit is an all-in-one solution with pre-printed cards and a foldable board. The images and quotes are professionally designed. The card system is reusable and adaptable. If you are looking for a convenient, organized, and long-lasting vision board experience, consider this. What people say. It is functional and easy to use. The cards do fit in each slot. There are some blank cards for your own design. I love that I can change out the cards. This was easy and fun to put together. I love that I can update to match my updated goals. It looks great displayed on my bookshelf and keeps my goals top of mind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.